Managing digital signage shouldn't require manual operation every day. To configure automatic power on, we'll first need to access the BIOS. Once you're in, I'll show you where to find the required settings. If you're using the air mouse provided by Nugens, use FN plus down arrow during startup, as it functions the same as the BIOS shortcut on a standard keyboard. Go to the Boot tab and look for RDC Wake settings. This section controls when the device powers on automatically, which is exactly what we'll be configuring next. Once enabled, the device can automatically power on without any manual intervention. Choose the time you would like the device to power on automatically every day. That's it. The automatic power-on schedule has now been successfully configured. Now that we've configured automatic startup in the BIOS, let's take a look at the automatic shutdown settings in SmartScheduler. This is where you can configure auto startup and other automation features to manage your signage's operating schedule. The scheduled shutdown function allows the device to power off automatically based on your operating hours. You can set a single shutdown time for every day, or create different schedules from Monday to Sunday. After completing the schedule, make sure the feature is turned on for the settings to take effect. You only need scheduled start time if your business has specific off days. For example, if you're closed every weekends, simply leave weekends blank. Even if the BIOS powers on the PC, SmartScheduler will automatically turn the signage off when no schedule is assigned. Continuous Playback Mode offers a simple way to automate playback. Just set a start time and duration. For example, start at 10 a.m. and play for 10 hours. The signage will automatically shut down when the time is up. You can also leave specific days blank to keep the signage off. After finishing the setup, don't forget to turn the feature on. Also, be aware that disabling it will erase all existing settings. Thanks for watching. For more SmartScheduler tutorials and support, please visit our website.